and welcome back. It's been a little bit of a while since I've done a weekly vlog and I really missed filming them, so I'm happy to be back and I'm going to give you guys a short little update on everything that has happened since the last time. I think the last vlog was in Denmark. It is the 11th of November in case you want to know. I don't know when this video is coming out, so it might be weeks ahead. So I wrote everything down in my little notebook because I was sure I would forget everything that I need to update you guys on. I built a new wardrobe. So as you guys may know on my vision board for this year, one of my goals was to decorate my dream room. It is the PAX system and I've went with the open wardrobe so you can see everything. I will give you guys a tour here. So here we have an overview of the whole closet. This is everything that I put together. It has 5 sections in total. So let's start here. This one I built only for dresses, so there's only one section and it's really long because I do have some long dresses. Next we have lighter tops, tank tops, t-shirts, blouses, things like that. And in this section of drawers here I have practical things. So this is storage for makeup, hair stuff, belts, accessories, things like that. In the third section we have all of my sweaters, blazers and small jackets. In this section of drawers I have underwear, leggings, tank tops, tights, sports stuff and nightwear. And then in this section we have all of my kind of mini skirts and all of my pants. And here we have jackets. So that is a tour of my closet. And I also wanted to explain you guys how I actually designed and came up with the little compartments and how I wanted to put everything together. So I'll do that here. So if you go to the IKEA homepage, I searched PAX planning tool. PAX is a system of wardrobes, and you see down here you can click the system wardrobe planning. Then you can go down here for PAX planner for desktop. I'm on my computer right now, and then you can go to design your own. This is where I went, and here you have a layout of a room. I think you can change the size of the room as well. And then you have everything here that you could possibly need. You see the frames down here, the different colors you can choose, and you can basically just drag and design your own, put in as many shelves, hangers as you want. So let me show you guys what my design looked like when I had finished everything. So once you've finished designing your wardrobe, you can download a file which has an overview of your entire plan and everything that you need and how you can put it together once you need to assemble it. So this is, I didn't actually put a name to mine, but this is the final outlay of the wardrobe that I planned to buy, or that I did buy. And you can see how it looks as the finished results. And if you go to the next page, you see an overview of all of the products that you will need. Obviously you can order directly once you finished your design. You can order everything together so you don't lose track of everything that you need. And here we have, you see the different sections. They are numbered, which is very practical. You see everything that you will need for each section. And you see here also a photo or a visual image of how you plan for it to look, so you don't forget once you need to put it all together. So this is very easy to put together. That's basically the plan. I hope this was helpful. I also wanted to add that when I was planning what kind of sections I needed and how big the wardrobe was going to be, I did actually write a little list of all the sections that I would need. So personally, depending on what you have in your wardrobe, I knew I have a lot of mini skirts, I have a lot of hanging blouses, and I do like to hang my pants, even jeans. So that's how I knew that I needed a section for mini skirts, a section for pants, bigger sections for tops and blazers. You need to kind of figure out how much of each different type of item you have. And then I also physically measured the length of my mini skirts, the length of my pants, the length of my jacket, so I could plan out how tall. You can do this in the planning tool. Plan out in which hole, at what height do I hang the different shelves and everything like that. So I was very organized. I planned out everything down to the last detail, and I would advise you to do the same if you want your closet to be as optimal as possible. Then I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the building process, because I did actually put it almost all of it together by myself. So you can see how that went here.
You said that you needed me. like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with.
After I came back from Denmark, I went on a few trips here in Switzerland. So I actually went with a few girlfriends to the mountains, and it was really wonderful to spend quality time with the ladies and just get away from the city. So we had a really nice time. I barely filmed anything because I just wanted to be in the moment, but I did take some pictures and some small little clips that you'll be seeing right now. I also went to a few other places, saw some more mountains. I absolutely love the mountains here. I could go and visit them every weekend. I took a huge break from dating. I cannot remember if I updated you guys on that already, but I did. I did decide to take a complete break and just not, I mean, I'm always open for the opportunity, but I didn't pursue it or actively seek it out for a few months. Since then, I have not been on any dates until today. Actually, when I'm filming this, I'm going on a date in like 2 hours. I have decided to get back in the game because I got a little bit bored and I thought, well, I have a good attitude about it now. I'm very relaxed about it. I don't need anyone in my life. Dating apps are still the same crap. You really have to filter through some real jerks and weird people. But it's a part of it, and I realized that, and it doesn't bother me that much anymore. I just try to see if I can find a good, normal guy to talk to. So that is the update on that. It's been super nice with the break though. I've had so much time to focus on myself and focus on what I want to do in life and focus on making more content for you guys and really getting in tune with what I want to spend my time on and what I am worth.
Of emotions, sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you
everyone, and welcome to a new day. Today it is Tuesday, November 24th, I want to say. It is the week of Black Friday, which means I'm going to be working a lot because I work in retail. But today it is Tuesday and it's my day off. So I am planning, it's 8 o'clock right now in the morning, and I'm planning to go to IKEA. I want to get there as early as possible to run into the least amount of people as possible, because obviously right now there is still a really serious situation going around. So I'm gonna try to keep my distance and wear my mask, which is also why I'm only wearing makeup on my eyes. The reason I'm going to IKEA is actually because I want to get some boxes for up here to store things a little bit better and to make it look a little bit nicer and less messy. I'll take you guys with me and I'll catch up with you guys when I'm back. Okay guys, so I just came back and I wanted to show you guys, I found these white boxes and I bought 7 of them. So we're gonna put them together now. Hey guys, so as you've just seen, I just had lunch and it is the afternoon now. I feel like time is flying by and I'm not really doing anything, but actually I have done a lot today. So I finished organizing. I don't really like the way that it turned out. I don't think the color is very nice, so I might look for some other boxes somewhere, but I'm actually having a different struggle because I'm trying to organize my whole room and like decorate, as I think I've said 100 times in this vlog. I'm somebody, I can't visualize how it's gonna look. I need to see things in real life to see if it looks good, if that makes any sense. So I'm trying to find online a new carpet, rug type thing, and I'm also trying to find a chair for my desk, and I just cannot. I'm having such a breakdown over it. I just cannot decide. So let me know what you think. I'm going to insert a picture here of the rug. This is my desk. These are the two chairs. This is a dark gray one. This is a white one. The white one only comes in a set of 2, so that's a little bit stupid, but let me know in a comment down below what you think I should do. But now I think it's time, because it is the weekend before December starts, so I think it's time to decorate for Christmas. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Hey guys, apologize for the tired look. I just came home from work. I just got an exciting delivery, so I thought I would open it with you guys. This is the chair that I was talking about. I actually just made a decision and I decided to go for the gray one. I also talked to my friend who's an interior designer and she suggested this one as well.